Are you one of those who constantly shy away from eating beans and any other member of the beans family? I am sure that by the end of this episode, you'll be the first to order a plate of ewagoyin or moi moi or akara. Beans are an affordable source of protein, fiber, iron, and vitamins that offer many health benefits. Beans are high in amino acids, the building blocks of protein. The protein in beans may help maintain and repair the body. They also make an excellent source of protein for vegetarians. They are also lower in calories and saturated fat than some other protein sources such as meat and full-fat or low-fat dairy products. Beans contain several vital nutrients like folate, which is essential for our overall health to make healthy red blood cells and help prevent neural tube defects in a fetus during pregnancy. Beans are types of antioxidants which helps in fighting the effect of free radicals, which are damaging chemicals that the body produces during metabolism and other processes. People who consume beans regularly may be less likely to die of a heart attack or other cardiovascular problems. Eating beans can reduce the risk of cancer. Beans may help stabilize blood glucose level or even prevent diabetes. Beans are high in fiber, which can help lower blood glucose. Beans helps in preventing fatty liver. Fatty liver happens when fat accumulates in the liver. It can develop alongside obesity, high cholesterol, high blood pressure, and other aspects of metabolic syndrome. When a person eats beans, the fiber and healthful starches they contain can help create a feeling of fullness and satisfaction. Beans can be made into various delicious meals, such as ewagoyin, gbegiri, akara, moi moi, among a host of other sumptuous meals. Now, there have been different opinions about which class of food beans belong to. Is it protein, carbohydrates, or fiber? Let us hear your opinion in the comment section. So what are you waiting for? Make sure you add beans to your next meal and enjoy all the nutritional benefits of beans.
For more content like this, kindly follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube at ASIWAJU ELEGBOOGI.